Write the expression in the standard form a plus bi, 3 minus 4i, which is a complex number, minus the quantity 5 plus 6i, which is another complex number. To add or subtract complex number, we add or subtract components wise. We add the real parts and the imaginary parts, or we subtract the real parts or the imaginary parts. In this case, we will take the real part of the first complex number 3 minus the real part of the second complex number 5, and then we add the imaginary part of the first complex number -4 minus the imaginary part of the second complex number 6i. This is -2 plus -10i, or simply -2 minus 10i. Alternatively, we can just simply take 3 minus 5, which is -2, and -4 minus 6, because we distribute the negative sign. -4 minus 6 is -10, and that is -4i minus 6i, which is -10i. To multiply complex numbers, we simply use the distributive property. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8i is 16i. -3i times 7 is -21i. -3i times 8i is -24, and I times I is I squared. Combined line term, we have 16 minus 21 is -5, so that is -5i, minus 24, and I squared is -1. This is 14 minus 5i plus 24. 14 plus 24 is 38. The answer is 38 minus 5i. Both of these answers are in the form a plus bi. For the first problem, a is -2 and b is -10. For the second problem, a is 38 and b is -5.